Hey, it's Great Ek. Today I'll show you how to use Arduino temperature sensor. I will use the TMP36 temperature sensor for this project. Let's open a blank page in Tinkercad and start building the circuit. First of all, let's start by placing Arduino first. Then place the breadboard on which we will install the circuit and our LCD display. Place a potentiometer for adjusting display contrast and make LCD connections. You can find how to wire the LCD anywhere, or you can follow my steps. After making the LCD connection, we can make the temperature sensor connection now. TMP36 has 3 pins, from left to right. First pin is the power pin. We are going to connect this to power. Middle pin is the output pin where we are going to measure electrical signal of the sensor, and third pin is the ground pin, which is going to connect to the ground. After setting up the circuit, we can write the code. Open the code section from the top right and delete excess code in the sample. You can click the Library tab and import the liquid crystal library, or you can write it manually. After importing library, we can declare the pin. Sensor pin will read the sensor output. Sensor input is the variable we will use to store the sensor input. Temp is another variable for storing temperature in. Lastly, initialize the LCD library with the numbers of the interface pin. Go into Void Setup and set up the LCD and serial monitor. Then print the first line of LCD as label. I will use temperature as label here. Now go into void loop and write the main code. Read the analog sensor from A0 pin and store it. Convert analog signal to digital by dividing it with 1024. Multiply by 5 volts to get voltage. Now, go to datasheet and look offset value of the temperature sensor. Subtract the offset value and multiply with 100 to convert to degree. We are converting from 10 millivolts per degree with 500 millivolts offset. After making the calculation, print current variable with serial monitor and LCD. Set cursor command sets the cursor to column 0, line 1. Because line 1 is the second row, since counting begins with 0. Thank you for watching the video. You can find the source code in the description. I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and like the video for supporting me.